Hey guys, welcome back to Lost Mentality. My name's Josh. Today we're going to be reviewing the Freedom Grooming Flex series to see if we can get a shave as close as a razor. Let's get started. I saw a whole bunch of ads for Freedom Grooming's Flex series, so I decided that it'd be time to give it a try to see if we can knock all of this crap off to get a close shave. They brag about their 5-head shaver, but first we're going to have to start off with the standard clippers to take this down to a stubble. Let's get started. Now that we got it down to a stubble, let's give it a shot with the 5-blade, see how close we can get. Didn't really make a mess either. So in order to clean this out, you're gonna pop these up. Once you got these open, you can see all the hair that you clipped off your head. Now let's go ahead and get this cleaned. Go ahead and run some water through the rotors. Don't forget the back side of the blade. To get this center one off, you're gonna grab and rotate. Now once you rotate and wiggle, it'll come out just like that. Let's go ahead and get this one cleaned up. Looks brand new. The next accessory I want to try out is going to be this buffer pad. So take the head off, go ahead and plug this in. We also have a nose hair trimmer. Let's go ahead and try this out. Probably not the best idea for camera. But yeah, no hairs. They do have length attachments to the standard clippers, so we're gonna go ahead and try to clip some of these beard hairs to see if we can get this maintained. I'm genuinely impressed. It feels like I shaved my head yesterday and this is just a little bit of the stubble growing back. So one problem I will say I had is when I originally got the Freedom Grooming series, it was shipped to me and I didn't put the clippers on it. Instead I put the 5-head blade and just went shaving at my head. Because of how much hair I had, it broke the rotors and only 2 rotors were spinning, meaning that only 2 blades would turn whenever I had it all connected. I always recommend that you first take the clippers to your head to take it down to a stubble and then do the 5-blade trimmer. I reached out to Freedom Grooming, told them the issue, they did the right thing, and they sent out a new blade. So I can tell you that this review is unbiased. They did not pay me, but I really think this is a great shaver. Well, thank you all for checking out this video. My name is Josh with Lost Mentality. Make sure that if this is the content that you like, to hit the like button, as well as go ahead and subscribe to keep up to date with the content that I put out. Y'all have a great day.